How to use Ticketmaster gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, and in the source bar, you need to search for ticketmaster.com. It will land you on the official page of Ticketmaster. Once you are in here, make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are logged in, head over to any of the ticket that you want to buy. At the right, select the number of ticket that you want to buy, and then tap on Next at the bottom right. You need to wait for a while. It will lead you to this page. In the payment section, at the bottom, you'll find the option where it says Add credit card, promo codes or gift cards. Tap on it. This section will appear. Enter the gift card number or the code that you have received. And once you have entered, tap on Apply. And that's it, and this is how you use Ticketmaster gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.